In this video, I am going to show you how to use Wispr Flow on your iPhone. So we'll go how to install the app, enable it, and start dictating in any application. So first, all you need to do is just go and install the Wispr Flow. Open the App Store as an example. So, okay, not this one. And you'll have to look or find Wispr Flow. You'll find this Wispr Flow AI voice keyboard. Make sure to install it. So once it is installed, you'll have to open it at least once before continuing. This will ensure the keyboard becomes available in your iPhone settings. So here, click on that and get through this as an example. Click on next and everything. Here, an example, you can log in or create an account using options. So for me, let me just go here and create an account very easily. As an example, using my Google account. So it's very simple. Here, just go and continue and give it the permission, everything, or authorize everything. And you should be able to start using it very easily and very simple. So here, I'm logged in, click on open, click on setup. And here, as you can see, you'll have to enable the Wispr Flow keyboard. So click on go to settings. They'll take you exactly where you want to be. So here you will have to click on keyboard, allow access, basically allow full access, click on allow, and here you can go back now to the Flow application. So once you go to it, here you can click on try Flow, and you can allow Flow to access your microphone so you can start dictating what you want to type, and you should be good to go. So as you can see here, you'll have to type and hold the word icon, then switch to the Flow keyboard so you can start using it with no problems, as you can see, and you can choose Flow here. Once you choose Flow, you can start an example by clicking on the mic, and let me just say, hello, how are you doing? This is me, and I am trying to explain something here. So as you can see, I just said that, and once I click on the check button, it dictates what I said. So hello, how are you doing? This is me, and I'm trying to explain something here. Very simple, very easy, and you should be able to use it with no issues. Course, here if you want, you can click on next, and here you can try dictating an email as well. If you want that, you'll be able to dictate an email as well if you want to. And of course, if you want to switch back to any other keyboard, just go back here to your keyboard and you should be very easy. Again, if you want to switch back to it, you'll be able to do it. For example, hey, I'm available on Friday, 4 p.m. as an example. So just click on next and you can whisper to it. You can whisper notes as you can see as well. And here, let's just go and continue that. So you can see as an example, do you want privacy mode or help us improve? Up to you. Here's an example, you can confirm the languages. Basically, you can even add other languages or remove. And here you can choose an example, Flow will use this style. So here, just some customization that you can do in Flow. You already set up, and if you want to use this, you can use anywhere else. But this is basically just some setup if you want. For example, here, casual, just choose casual. Of course, you can escape or you can skip all of those. At the top right, you'll find the skip button if you want to skip. Up to you. For example, just do this, next, allow notifications if you want that. And you can email, as example, me a download link. If you want to download this into your Mac or Windows as well, this is very possible. For me, I'll click on do this later. Other here. Okay, let's just click on whatever, and you can click on start flowing. So from here, basically on the application, you can basically edit the things that we've done. And keep in mind here, let me just go to accounts, manage plan. Keep in mind, you start normally with the free trial on the pro plan. After 13 days, it will be removed. And of course, you gets back then to the basic plan, which will give you, as an example, 1,000 word per week on iOS and 2,000 on desktop. If you want to get to the free, it's up to you. So yeah, let me just go and try an example, use this on any other place. So as an example here, let me just go to an example here. I just went to a random chats. Let me just go and click here. Make sure you're choosing like Whisper. You can change here formal to casual to whatever you want and start writing. Hi, this is me. I'm here just to help. Did that, and as you can see, it's working on any other app, not inside Flow itself. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.